If you want to scale your SMMA, make sure that you're using these AI softwares within your business so that you can obviously optimize your time, cut payroll costs, increase margins, and make more fucking money. So like, comment, subscribe. Let's get right into this. Number one is Zapier. Automating your onboard process, automating your task management, automating how 2 apps interact, 3 apps, 4 apps, even 5 interact together to make sure that things are streamlined for you and you never have to think about, did that thing get done, or is this there, or did I forget to do this task? Keep your mind clear and automate that shit. Number 2 is Phrasee. It's a UI-based marketing phrase content AI bot. That's what they call it, okay? I know that was a mouthful, but they basically make marketing phrases for you to send in your messaging. Same thing with the whole ChatGPT thing. They're basically automating that so that you can ask them for hooks and headlines and etc. Another one is going to be Monday.com or ClickUp. Those are 2 AI-based softwares for task management and team collaboration. Those are massive for not just, being more productive, but also understanding like where the bottleneck is in the business, who's taking the most amount of time. That thing brings me to Everhour. And Everhour is a huge AI software that we use to see how long tasks are actually taking, to see which department is slacking, to see where we need to make cuts, where we need to make cuts budget-wise to then put in other departments and help those numbers be increased, to see where the real bottlenecks are in that sales process. Another AI is ManyChat. ManyChat works well for most of our clients who run lead gen because they also want to run IG message campaigns. Being able to automate messages and qualifying questions so that we can obviously get that lead to click the ad, they send the right word in the message, like DM me the word launch, then they get a bunch of questions, they answer them, then they can get the link to book a call. It's automated, it's AI based. The client doesn't have to talk to the person until the actual sales call. Next AI piece is going to be not just ManyChat, but also there's Typeform. Typeform is not just on the client side, but on the SMMA side for you to, ask onboarding questions. And with those onboarding questions, you can then use Zapier and Integromat, which is another example of connecting 2 apps. How do 2 apps interact and what happens when this happens in this app, then have this happen there. Being able to get leads in TikTok and have that information sent over to your CRM is massively important. You don't want to be doing that shit manually, downloading CSV files back and forth. Integromat is a lot more advanced than Zapier. For using Zapier right now and you want to get more advanced with your automations, find a very veteran-based developer on Fiverr or Upwork who knows Integromat, because your automations are going to get fucking 10 times better guaranteed. I'm not kidding you. Some of my Integromat automations look like a spider web. There's like 50 things going on, but because Integromat is more sophisticated than Zapier, you can just do more shit and get more shit done and make more money and take less off your plate. Another AI software is going to be not just Typeform, but Typeform actually has a partner now, which is called VideoAsk. So if you want to get client testimonials from your current clients, you can have automations come from Zapier that say, hey, after 90 days of being with us, we're going to send this message inside of your client Slack chat for them to fill out this VideoAsk. And VideoAsk is a way for you to ask questions with your camera, and the client will then hold their finger down on the button and literally answer the questions that you're saying. It's fucking insane how that works, because for the longest time, agencies always did testimonials organic. It was like, hey, can you shoot us one? Hey, can you go on Google? You can automate that stuff with AI and just have your links there so you know which client filled out what. And it's all UTM based. It's all UTM parameters and etc. So that's the biggest AI tools that I use for my business right now in my SMMA. Another one is like a CRM. So we use Close.io. A lot of people use HubSpot. Close.io is way more sophisticated for people doing at least 7 figures a year. If you're making 6 figures a month or more, you should be using Close.io. If you're making less, just stick with HubSpot. It's cheaper. But those are the biggest AI platforms that we use right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.